Tillomet here in St Neots, we are a pharmaceutical company. We do packaging as well as lab work. But the reason we've gone into resource efficiency was to look at the costs that waste and that has on the business. I think the biggest saving at Tillomet is the reuse of the cardboard boxes. We're not buying them in, so therefore we're not spending money on shippers. We're not sending them to landfill, so we're saving probably about £4,500 a year, not buying shippers in, but about £1,200 a year in not having to pay for the stuff to go to the waste. The wooden pallets that we get in, we either repair them and reuse them, or we can build, like we've built a shed outside, a cycle shed and a tool room. But because we're reusing them, we're not having to buy pallets all the time. Because in any industry, pallets come in wrapped and there's bubble wrap. And what we looked at was, how could we reuse it? And one of the things we came up with, if we took the clean bubble wrap and pallet wrap, we actually store it, we can tear it up and we can use it for packaging in finished good boxes, and the saving is probably about £1,200 a year. When we started to look at the carbon footprint and the energy that you use, we looked at the warehouse because it's one of the biggest areas, and we've got man-up trucks now that are lit by the operator as they go up in the working area. That way we've kept with the lighting that we've got, but we've reduced the amount of power that we need to put into that area. It's a lot safer and a lot better. Well, at Tillomet we're looking at grey water, solar energy, the lighting within the production floor, but also the first floor offices, which is going to reduce the amount of electricity that we're using. As part of your resource efficiency, I think you should also look at preventive maintenance, because it's an important part of maintaining equipment. So it's using less power, you increase your productivity, you create less waste, and also you get greater life out of your equipment as well. My advice to any company that's not looking at the reuse and recycling and the carbon footprint is to do it, because the savings are there and financially it makes sense.